All right, we're gonna do Unapproachable Makeup. First, we're gonna start off with bronzing drops. I'm using the e.l.f. bronzing drops in Pure Gold. You know, I used these under my makeup this morning and they made my makeup go patchy, so they better not do that again or I'm gonna throw freaking hands. And I did self-tan last night, so I need the face to match the body. Okay, now going in. I look insane. Please just, I can't look at myself. I'm going in with the Revolution Skin Silk. Okay, then I'm going in with my lightest concealer shade. This is e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in, what does that say? Fair Rose. You guys are watching my age decline in front of my eyes. And I'm gonna do a lot of this. While I'm letting the concealer get tacky, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Liquid Bronzer and Contour. I want to eat this stuff. It's so good. I'm also gonna snatch it. Also, please bear with me while I figure out my new like setup for YouTube. I used to have like a ritual before I did YouTube, but I've moved since, so like I'm still figuring out what looks best in this space. All right, I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm tapping that in so I don't swipe it because this is where I want the placement to be. I'm also going to take a little bit of my Flesh Tone concealer and just kind of, every time I highlight my face, it just like brings it back to life. I'm like, well, I'm looking really tan. And then I do this and I'm like, all right, chill. You notice how I'm tapping everything? I want it to stay in this area. And also if I swipe, I'm just gonna be taking off the base. All right, before I even blend out the eyes, I'm gonna be setting with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Sugar Cookie. Oh, I hate the smell of this. I literally hate it. Okay, after I posted that video and I was like, I don't like the Huda Beauty powder. I'm kind of liking it. Used it a lot because I'm trying to use it up, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I might have misspoke because it do be blurring. The powder will settle, like it comes off like super stark at first, but then it like settles in and it looks a lot better. I'm also going to carve out my cheekbone. Once it like absorbs into the skin, into the base, it looks so much better, just, I promise. Okay, while that's baking, I'm going to do my NARS contour. I'm using this, okay, I got this so long ago. Please don't judge me. I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I don't know if they still sell this. I've been using it as a contour palette, so I'm gonna take this middle shade right here to really like my nose. That was not a verb. I'm gonna create like a really skinny bridge, and I'm going to connect it into, okay, I put a little too much. I'm also gonna do a little, this is looking insane. I just need you to trust the process. More important than the contour itself is the highlight. That really makes everything stand out. So I'm gonna highlight like the tip, the bridge, and then I'm going to also drag this down the sides. I'm using the yellow powder in the palette. Okay, I'm also going to contour a little bit under the bottom lip. And just a little bit on the top. Not a lot, because you don't want it to look like a mustache, because it can turn mustachy real quick. Now that the pressed powder has been baking for a little, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade All Buttad Up. I'm going to just tap that in twice because this is super pigmented. While I define the cheekbones, I'm also going to wipe off this bake. See, I feel like the powder is like already settling. Okay, for blush, why did I just get so excited about that? That was insane. For blush, I'm gonna be taking this, I don't know if they sell this anymore. I'm so sorry. Your girl doesn't buy a lot of makeup because I am not a rich influencer. I'm so sorry. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. For now, you guys are stuck with my old makeup products that I still use. This is an e.l.f. blush palette. The words befall me per usual. Clearly, I love this shade. I think I'm gonna go in with this one though because I'm a little tanner. This is also a very pigmented palette, so it'll really build it up. What's crazy is I used to hate blush. I used to never wear blush. You couldn't get me to. I just didn't get it. And then I got it. I don't know. I feel like all girls go through like a no blush phase. Okay. How many times do I say okay? All right. Okay, you just changed it up. You are so annoying. You need to chill. Okay. When you edit videos of yourself and you find out how you really talk, it's humbling. It's so humbling. The amount of times I said the word like in my last video, cut the cameras, dead ass. Like that sucked. Trying to take that out of my vocabulary now. And also the amount of times I say okay needs to stop. I'm going to wipe out, I didn't say it. I'm going to wipe off the nose contour. I'm going to use my Anastasia old school OG highlight palette. This is the Glow Kit. Clearly I have used that a lot. I'm gonna go with Sunray. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this white because Sunray is a little too dark for me. I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray, and I'm using the Revolution Infinite. This is okay. Just gonna say the smell of this is absolutely putrid. Stop putting scent in makeup products. Stop putting scent in makeup products 2025. Please, thanks. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Being absolutely snatched to do nothing except wash this off and go to bed. Okay, so I saw the girlies doing a little bit of eyeshadow and some wing liner, so we're gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow and some wing liner. I'm gonna set my face, even though I'm not going anywhere, but it melts it pretty good, so. I don't wanna breathe. I don't wanna smell it. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna take the lightest contour shade, and I'm gonna just take this on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to like drag this up into here. Okay, now I'm gonna do this shade. This is deceivingly darker than it looks, and I'm just going to deepen like where I'd put my eyeliner and like right into my little socket. Okay, there we go again. Hate it. I'm taking the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner in black, and I'm going to create like a really dramatic wing. Usually I'm like a little baby wing kind of girl, but not today. That might have been too long. Slay. Why do I ever doubt myself? Okay. Stop. I'm gonna take the black in the palette and smoke that out. I never do liner this big, so this is really stressing me out if I'm being honest. Okay. Unreal. I'm going to take the IT Cosmetics No Tug eyeliner. I'm going to line the bottom lash line, but I'm only going to do half of it and stopping like right where my pupil is. I'm going to take a little bit of dark brown. My cat is all up on me. And I'm just going to smudge that and connect it with the wing. So every time I do eyeliner, I'm just like, I just need to trust the process up until I get 2 lashes because that's where it really counts. I'm going to take my Lift In Snatch. It's a brow pen, but I'm going to do the inner corners. My favorite's when you're like doing your inner corner and there's an eye boogie that just needs to pop out. I'm going to do my mascara and my lashes off camera. I'm just going to put a little half lash on and I will be right back. That's better. I mean, I don't like love it because maybe it's just me and eyeliner. Like I just so much. I'm going to take the NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige and I'm just going to not draw on my lips. Line my lips. You guys hear my cat freaking out? He goes in the kitchen and cries when he wants food. Ooh. I'm kind of liking this now that I'm here. I'm gonna take some lip elf oil. Lord help me. I'm gonna take some elf lip oil in Pink Quartz and I'm just going to top this off. I just think a nude lip is gonna slay. What do you think? Do you think I'm unrecognizable? This is my approach on unrecognizable makeup. This would be like my revenge makeup. You know, like, he doesn't know what he's missing. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.